Hello, in this tutorial video, I'm going to quickly set up a working server environment and a working Unity project. Once I have the UniREST client asset, the first thing to do is to set up my server environment, installing the UniREST server application from the provided zip file. So, go in the WordPress administration area and install the UniREST server application plugin. The UniREST server application is just a WordPress plugin, so you have to install it in the same way all the WordPress plugins are installed. Once installed, the UniREST server application will appear in the WordPress menu. At this moment, the application is only installed. So, open the application. Here, the system check shows you some technical information. The most important part is the writing permissions. Without those permissions, the UniREST server application can't work. Now, click the Start button. The UniREST server application is now fully configured, and can be used. Before start using all the UniREST features, it's important to check that your Unity game can communicate with this server. So, click the Create Client Config button. This C# code contains all the information your Unity game needs to communicate with this server. Copy this piece of code. In your Unity project, locate the UniREST client config script. Open it in your code editor. Now, remove all this file content and paste here the code you copied from the UniREST server application. Basically, with this operation, you are telling your game where your server is, how to contact it, and so on. Now, just create a scene and a new C# script. Drag the C# script on your main camera. In this way, the script will be executed when you start the game. Open the mono behavior script. At this moment, the only code I need is the default start function. Import the Tiger Forge namespace. Inside the start function, enable the UniREST client debug mode. In this way, the Unity console will show useful information. For communicating with your server, the first thing you must do is to log in into the system. If you don't log in, you can't do anything. The UniREST security system will block you. UniREST has different kinds of login methods. For this example, we will use the application login method. The method will return true if everything goes okay. So, use a variable to catch the login result and show a message on the Unity console. Now, start your game, and the Unity console will show a lot of information, because this is the first time you use the application login method, and the UniREST client has to do a lot of operations. But what we need is the last message. As you can see, everything worked fine. This means, your game and your server can communicate. Now, start your game again. As you can see, there are fewer messages in the console. This because UniREST now knows your game and can perform a direct login. That's all.